Hello everyone, welcome to the Textile Design with Photoshop. My name is Saide. In this session, I'm going to teach you how to make a color swatch or swatch palette in your design. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you like, please subscribe the channel.
Before I start, I would like to introduce my Instagram page entitled Gilani Design. You can follow the page and see my design over there. And if you have any question regarding to each design and drawing process, ask me and send me a message. In the color reduction session, I teach you how to reduce the colors from your design. In this session, I'm going to teach you another way to how to reduce the color in your design and make a swatch palette. This method is called Swatch Technique. In my screen, I open a new design, and first of all, go to the window from the main menu, then click on Swatch. When your swatch palette pops up, you can see a very small bar here, and click on that and choose Preset Manager. When the Preset Manager window opens, make sure preset type selected as a swatch. If not, selected it. Now we have to clear palette from the existing colors. Hold the shift key and click on the first color, and again hold shift key and click on the last color. So all colors are selected. Now click on delete and then done. Now you can see all swatch palettes empty. In next step, select the eyedropper tool and choose the color on your design one by one. I suggest two different methods for choosing the colors that which I will teach you next. Uh, but as a first method, when you select the first color with eyedropper and move to the swatch palette, you can see the cursor turns to the bucket tool. If you click on the swatch palette, a new window will pop up, which you can select the name of the colors and click OK. This places the selected color into the swatch palette. So keep doing this method for other colors by clicking on colors in the design and then pasting them into the swatch palette. When you're sure that you have chosen all colors, go to the tiny bars here, click on that and click on Save Swatch. And save swatch in a suitable place in your computer that you can find it easily. I save it in my desktop with the name of the swatch 2. Click on and then save that. And then click on image in menu bar. Select mode and click on index color. In the index color window, select the custom. No, sorry. In fourth section, first in the fourth section, select none. Then uncheck transparency and preview. Set the deter option to none. Then change the palette to custom. In the color table, which pops up, click on load and find the swatch you just made and saved. Remember, if you're not able to see the swatch into the browser window, since the format is not swatch, is ACO, set the loading format to swatch, and you can see the swatch palette now. Now you can see all of the colors are here in color table. Then click OK in color table, and then click OK in index color. Now I'm going to explain the second method for making a swatch palette. As a second method, after you clean swatch palette from colors, click on filter in menu bar, then select pixelate and crystallize. In the crystallize window, you will change the design into the small coloring crystals. This can be done by changing the crystals to number between 40 to 50. I choose 47. This is much simpler to choose the color from the crystallized image by clicking on eyedropper tool and move cursor to the swatch palette. I myself will start from the background color, which is white, and from lighter color to the darker in the image. Now I go to the tiny bar in swatch palette and select the save swatch and save the swatch with the appropriate name. I save in download this time and with the same name, swatch 2 name, and save the file here. Before we continuing, remember to change back the crystallized image to normal vision. You can do this by clicking on Ctrl C. Now click on image, then mode and index color. In the index color window, the number of colors are shown, which are 19 colors. Be careful, the first option is set as none, transparency and preview are unchecked, and dietary is set as none, and the palette option to be set as a custom. If the custom was gray and cannot be selected, just turn off and turn on the preview, and custom will be active and you will be able to select it. Now click on load from the browser window and choose the swatch palette. From the location you have saved it. Change the format to watches ACO if needed. Then click on load. Now all colors are placed in the color table and in the swatch palette. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy, like it and subscribe the channel to watch new videos.